Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Happy after the exam? Beta, you know, the studies are something which gave us best results when we do it regularly. When we do it occasionally, then we can't get the desired result or desired outcome. Okay? And can you tell me what is education for you? Toshu?
Understand the things that are going to help us in our upcoming life.
Okay. Siddhi, what do you think? What is education for you? Okay. As Toshu said, both are correct. This is the preparation of our life. Okay. You know, when we are preparing for something, we go through a process. That process should be stepwise, and that process should be authentic and checked, that surely this process will give us the desired outcome what we are thinking for. Okay, so here are few things. Can you tell me what is this? This is beaker, an empty beaker. Okay, this is also a beaker. This is also beaker, beaker, beaker. All right. Now, if I ask you, they all are made up of different material. Made up of beaker is made up of same material, that is glass. Okay. What is the cost of this beaker? Hardly 100 rupees. है ना? Cost of this beaker. If it contains mineral water, then the cost is 105. Mineral water 5 rupees it is containing. If it is coconut water, then maybe 150. Okay? Cost of this containing chemical, it can be more than that. Okay? Cost of this is filled with garbage or rubbish. All right? This is milk, even more valuable than these. Beaker plus value of the money. Beaker plus value of the gold. Okay? Which kind of beaker you want to become? This is your mind. Okay? Consider this beaker as your mind. And everybody is, believe me, when you will study in higher classes about biology and human brain, every human being has equal amount of brain. The weight of human brain is 3 pounds. Okay? Only the difference between the people, where they will go in their life, what kind of life they will live happily and with satisfaction, that purely depends during their student life, what they filled inside their brain. Okay? Was it empty? Then it will not have that worth in the social life when they will enter their social life after completion of their education. Okay? It may be like water, not stable, sometimes here, sometimes there, what to do, not clear, like that. Okay? If it is like a chemical, they will have a fixed mindset, not ready to change. Can you change the color of this chemical? No, it has a dark color. It will be remaining like that. If you will add on the water, it can be diluted, but it cannot be changed completely. All right? So people with fixed mindset, those who are not able to change their mentality, not able to cope up with the situations and move ahead with the people or the scenario. Okay? This kind of beaker, this is completely filled with some pebbles are there, some mud is there, some dry remains of plants are there, and sand is there. So this is completely garbage. Mind filled with rubbish things, with anxiety, with jealousy, with comparison, with haphazard thoughts, and there is no clarity about goal, there is no clarity about the society and our position in the society. This kind of mind is filled with rubbish, or you can say the people who are ready to take everything from all the wrong people. That kind of mind becomes like this. And another fact about this beaker is this is filled with a solid material, so there is no space. If somebody wants to pour something, they will not be able to pour anything inside it, because it is completely filled with rubbish material. Okay, if we will put milk into it, milk will be wasted. If we will put water into it, water will be absorbed. Water will also be made dirty and contaminated while water is coming into contact of this rubbish garbage. Okay, so this kind of minds are the criminal minds of society, which from the school, when they go to society, they go for big crimes like Delhi's Nirbhaya and Kolkata's now just that incident, or some big robberies like that, because their minds are filled with rubbish thoughts. They don't have clarity, compassion, they don't have integrity, they don't have empathy. Empathy, you understand very well? Okay, so this kind of minds are highly dangerous. Milk, a good content is possessed by the mind, they can be mold even more valuable things. You can convert this milk into curd, you can convert it into cheese, you can convert it into paneer. Okay, that will be even more valuable than the milk. So if your mind is stable at this level also, whatever you have got from your student's life, that is completely obtained, grasped, observed, absorbed by you, that is with you. So at higher level, you can change this milk into, or your thoughts or your education into, even you can multiply it many thousand times, uncountable times, and it will be giving you more worth than your school life. Okay, you will become a good leader, you will become a good learner who can lead the path, who can show the path to the team members also. If you will become this kind of beaker, you will have a clear-cut thinking about your goal, that what to do, for what my life is, what is my core area, what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, what should I do to remove my weaknesses, and what kind of steps I have to take to improve my skill, enhance my skills and my strengths. Okay, then your mind will become more valuable and your mind will give the best outcomes. Okay, Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Jio, he used to sell washing powder on a bicycle door to door. He was the vendor and he created the biggest business empire of India, Reliance Industries. Okay, so there is no bar if you have clear thinking, if your goal is clear and you have a particular plan to achieve that goal. Whatever your goal can be, it can be to become a musician or to become a singer like Sonu Nigam, who started his journey with the Jagrata. And during Navratri, he used to do, even Neha Kakkad started her journey from there only, and she used to receive a reward of 10 rupees when she used to sing very good bhajan, melodious bhajans. From the audience, she used to get 10 rupees. And now she is charging more than 1 crore for one song. Okay? Because she understood that what kind of voice I have, what kind of dedication I have for music, and what else can be done to improve my voice. Okay? Next, higher level of brains which know their value since beginning. This is my core area. I want to be a gamer. I want to be a swimmer, or I want to be a player, singer, artist, fashion designer, or whatever. This kind of people, they have clear goal and they have the courage to fight to achieve their goal with the entire world. Mark Zuckerberg is the perfect example. Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, and Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, they all knew about their capacities and they knew their worth. They made a plan and they executed it successfully. Okay? Vinita Singh, the founder of Sugar Cosmetics, okay, she dared to leave the corporate job being an IIT, she got a very good job. The package was in crores, but she knew her worth, that my worth is even more than that. So I have to encash that, I have to convert it into reality. Okay? So this was now the choice is yours, children. This year is very, very important. Today we have planned a counseling session for you with all the teachers. Yesterday we had a very big meeting. We are really concerned about your class 10th result. Whatever you will become, wherever you will go for your passport, for your higher studies, wherever you will apply for anything, your one document will be very authentic in India. After passing class 10th, your class 10th mark sheet becomes your birth proof. Okay? So that will be asked everywhere. So the document which you are going to present in front of everybody, that should be a real proof of your capabilities. That's what our intention is. Now choice is yours. What kind of brain you want to become? You can retaliate. We can't do anything. If you are this kind of brain, we can't do anything with you. If you will retaliate, you will not allow us to enter in your comfort zone, we can't do anything. Okay? We will be helpless, but we won't. If you will be this kind of beaker, we are sure that we have the capabilities, we have the team members which will surely convert you into this beaker. Okay? That's why the places of the beakers are in a sequence, and believe me, from here to here, if you are completely blank, it's okay. Shivam, udhar dhyan hai, it's okay. But we can convert you while we are helping you out, support us. Okay? Convert yourself from here to here, then avoid these two levels, then become this. Okay? World will respect you, world will bow down in front of you. Fine? So children, please support with your teachers. They are here in Janjgir Champa for you only. We don't have any other business here. We don't have any other known people here. We know you, then we know your parents, then we know this Janjgir Champa, and this Janjgir Champa knows us that we are your teachers. Okay? We do not have any other identity also. So please cooperate with us for your best results. Fine? I hope you all have understood. So what kind of brain you will become? Yes, Toshu? Last one, Siddhi? You are already this one. I know about you. You are already this one. Few things are there which I will pick up and throw them out. Okay? Then only this will remain. Huh? Tanya? The empty one. Right. Very nice. So that we can fill the things and you can absorb it. Okay? Rishika? Charu? Okay. The one which is blank, empty. With the milk. Okay. So from there you will convert yourself into various levels. Okay. Tanisha? Like? The gold. Okay. Very nice. Yes, beta? The gold beaker. Shivam? Water one? Okay. In water one also, see, changed? फिर से चेंज हो जाएगा water one. Now spoiled. Okay. Stop watching reels. Okay. Set a goal that I will make a company, I will own a company in future, and people will utilize my apps. I will own that company. They will upload their reels in future, or I will create something more interested than reels and I will own that company. Like Mark Zuckerberg is doing. We all are fools. We are paying money to Jio and to Mark Zuckerberg to be on Instagram. And we all are spoiling our time. We are investing our money and time to make him billionaire. Is it so? So don't make yourself fool. Make him fool that I am making you fool. I will become one day the owner of the company bigger than yours, and then people will be, my app will be more popular than yours because they will be latest one. I understand the requirements and the interest of the new generation. I'll go for that. All right. I hope you all will do, and I really want that if you are here, we can really take you to this level. Fine? Thank you so much. Really start implementing it, children. Where you are investing your time, time is really money. Where you are investing it, it will give you the best returns accordingly. Okay?